What's up, guys? Roll 1969 here. I made a little purchase the other day because I felt that these two boxes did not deserve to be just sitting where they were. So I went ahead and I purchased them. So what it is this should be 600 rounds, 7.62 by 39. Looks like it's got some Chinese writing on it. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know a lot of gun guys on these channels are a lot more knowledgeable when it comes to this type of stuff than I am. But I wanted to do an unboxing for you, and I want to see how this is packed. I mean, I know how it's packed. It should be packed in little brown paper in 20 round segments, but I think that this thing is really cool, so we have to open this up. So I'm gonna try to see if we can do this and adjust my little tripod here. I wrote this on here, 7.62 by 39, 600 rounds. It actually came in a crate because I actually bought 1,200, but it came in a crate. I got it really cheap, but this right here was one of two boxes that were in that crate. So it has a little tab here, I believe. I think pull back on this tab. Probably gonna cut myself in, guys. Oh, see, I got a tool. See, I don't know how they would do this on the field without a tool. I'm just kind of opening it up like, do an old can. But it was definitely sealed. Because I heard a little, when I first opened this. So, I'm pretty confident. I guess I probably should have put this tool on this side over here and continue to unravel. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. Look at that nice, clean cut right there. We end up with this little bit right here. It's made out of a galvanized steel by the looks of it. And it has a coating over the top of it. It's got some sort of sealer around it. And from this moment on, I assume, just kind of grab it and pull like. There's probably somebody on this channel right now laughing their asses off at me. And being like, dude, you're doing it all wrong. Oh, no, I'm not. I was right. Check it out, guys. But yet again, if you were out in the field during wartime, get shot at. Who the hell wants this job? This is beautiful. Wow. Oh my god, it smells like an old buck. Oh, that's so cool. I really like, I don't know what the hell they used around here, but man, it really sealed it up nicely, I gotta say. Probably good enough. We got some cardboard, some more cardboard. Stripper clips! So, this is freaking awesome. The way that this is packaged. I want to say this is like part of a ration from World War II, but I don't know. Maybe it's 60s, maybe Korean, maybe Vietnam. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments. Happy face! Happy face! Oh man, I love stripper clips. I love stripper clips. So stripper clips are really cool because if you have an SKS, that's what these were. The stripper clips is actually designed for. But yeah, if you had an SKS and you were able to take this and load this into your SKS, you would just take it, stick it at the top of your SKS, and then you just slide it down. And here, I'll show you. As you just, well, you would set it, open up the bolt, set it in, and then you just push them down, and as you can tell, they just fall right out. And as they fall right out, they push right into your gun butt, or your weapon system. We're gonna call it a weapon system. But I'm really happy about these. These seem really, yeah, I don't know why I'm smelling things. They seem really cool. I think they're in amazing shape, however old they are. You can take a look at that here. Just, come on, phone focus. Here we go. I think they're awesome. But the funny thing about it is that somebody sat there at the factory and loaded all these by hand. They didn't use a machine to do it, but man, I'm very happy. I'm very happy right now. This is really cool. They're Full Metal Jacket. Not a hollow point or anything. Kind of looks like it has a copper casing around it, but it's not. It's just a Full Metal Jacket round. I really like it. Had it not been for YouTube right now, I would definitely tap a few of these off for you guys and just show you. I'm so excited. I'm really happy that I bought this box, and I got it for a pretty reasonable deal. So I'm very happy with the purchase. I think it was a wise purchase, and I'm happy because I have two of these, and I had to open up one of them, and I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys and show you what was in it. How do they have these packaged? Yeah, check this out. So, yeah, that's how they have them packaged. That's so cool. That's really cool. I love history. I especially love wartime history, and I can really appreciate what it took to package this up, what it took to create something like this, and the time and the patience that it must have been to do that. That's really awesome. I feel like I'm really holding like a good solid piece of American history. Maybe like it should be like in a museum or something, but still, I'm a happy face, happy face. So I'm just gonna package this back up. Well, I'm gonna pull the rest of this top right here off. I'm gonna package it back up for the most part, but I'm just gonna rip the top of this off just because I want to keep it for my own storage. But oh man, I should like wear gloves doing that. Stupid. I don't know how the hell they do this. Unless that was it. Like, okay, you got it open there, now just leave it alone. But you know me, I don't want to just do that. Who wants to just open it up and leave it alone? There we go. See, I got a little pry bar action going on here. It's like once you get it going, it goes, but then it just stops. Man, I don't know how the hell these guys open this up in the middle of a fucking war, in the middle of the field somewheres. I mean, I'm doing this with a table with a snap-on pair of dikes here. So, but anyway, guys, it's open. Like I said, it smells awesome. It smells like an old book. And no, there's no coronavirus in it. Jesus, such a cliche. Man, just like so much of it in there. It's incredible the way that they pack this in here. So, I want to do an unboxing of that. I've seen a few other unboxings of these where there's like two wires that come up right here, and they have like little D-rings. I've seen guys, they just take a screwdriver, stick it in there, they pull it, and it just kind of like cuts around this direction here. I think this design right here may have been even before those, making this a little bit more rare or more difficult to find, or I don't know, whatever. It's late. It's like midnight. I'm just trying to package this back up. So yeah, guys, if you know anything about this, correct me in my video, please, because I'm not an ignorant person, and I'm really interested, very interested actually, to know a little bit more history on this. Where it was used, how it was used, if I open it up incorrectly, whatever. But you guys probably hear like this little tweeting action going on here. I want to show you guys what they have. They have these cute little bastards. I got these cute little new ducks. Or, sorry, not ducks, they're just chicks. Really? I'll just grab one and show you. Got some new chickens. This one right here. You can go sit on my finger, little girl. This one right here is a giant, or black, the hell they call it? Black giants, giant blacks? I don't know. And these other little white ones over here are Americanas. And they're going to grow up to be a really, really pretty chicken, hopefully. But they're good egg layers. Somewhat of a meat bird, the giant blacks are, but I have a little heat lamp on them. I did have two more, but unfortunately, one of them died because they were just kind of meat. Whoa, check that out. Have you guys ever seen this? This belonged to my grandfather, but I always wanted to put it on the front of a Cadillac. Like a brand new Cadillac. How cool would that have been? But I had one die. They kind of trampled it over. That one passed away. And then, in the meantime, they were kind of mean to this other little chicken. They weren't allowing her to eat. So I separated her. And then she got sick. And I think she was just probably just previously sick. So I tried like feeding her with a little tiny spoon. I took food, mushed it up. I did a little bit of water, a tiny bit of vinegar for her in the water. Just kind of dropped the food into her mouth. And she ended up passing away on me anyways. But you know what? If you have chickens or if you have animals or anything like that, expect death. You know, it's inevitable. It's just going to happen. Any birds that... Any chickens or birds that I've ever owned, I used to give names to them, but I've learned not to do the name thing anymore, not to get attached to them. Especially like if they're going to be like a meat chicken. Definitely don't name your meat chickens, but your egg layers, by all means, you know, get them names because you're going to keep them around for a little while. But anyways, guys, so that's where I'm at. Leave your messages down in the comments. Anything about it, any information about it that you know. I'm really interested and I'm really curious. I mean, like I said, I'm going to assume maybe Vietnam War, maybe a little bit earlier, pre-1960s, judging by the technology that they packaged this in with this weird sealer glue stuff. It seems dry though. I don't know. But anyways, thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment at the bottom. This is Hyrule 1969. I am out. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Follow me on all aspects of social media. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all that jazz. Especially on TikTok. I have some pretty good TikToks on there. Also, if you would like to donate to my Patreon page, because YouTube just doesn't pay what they used to, especially this video. They're probably not even going to allow me to modernize it. Check that out as well. Link is the first link at the bottom of the description. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I love you. Take care of yourself. Peace. Oh, and be well. Be healthy.